Welcome to the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. Today we're going to be going over the gift card program on the merchant website. When on the merchant website, if you have a gift card number that you already know that you want to look up, you can do so using the search glass to the top right corner and typing in the gift card number that you're looking up. To view the gift card's history and all the information, click the View underneath the Action header. From there, you can see certain history based on date and type of changes, so sales, recharges, balance inquiries, and the likes. You can also sort these lists by clicking on the headers at the top of the report. Next, using the sidebar on the left hand of the screen, click Gift Card and then Overview. This will give you some information that's important to the gift card program, including total outstanding balance to the top, as well as you can see breakdowns by sales and activations by a month-to-month period. Below, you can also see some more details, including gift card sales, activations, and recharges. Next is Account. You can search for gift card accounts based on activity and a time frame, and you can change the order of the report by using this drop-down box and clicking Search. Next is Activity. From here, you can see certain items between a certain time frame, including sales, balance inquiries, recharges, credits, and activations. And simply hit Search. From there, you will see the data filtered in the bottom of the screen, and you can see the types of inquiries, including dates and location and source of the actual transaction. Next is Activity Summary. Here you can sort by different activity summaries by month, different time frames, by year, and then by clicking Search to the right. Next is the Virtual Terminal. From here, you can actually activate a gift card number or enter in a sale amount as well. You would just enter in the amount that you want to either sale or to recharge, and then you would click Add Gift Card Transaction to the bottom of the page. You will get a successful message after you went through. You can choose to print off the receipt if you want by clicking the Print button. Next, if you do online gift cards, you can look up your online gift card order history by filtering the date that you want to search for and clicking Search. From here, you can see all online gift cards that were ordered and where they were sent to. And if you click View, you can see certain data fields from it, including price, who it was sent to from, or who was sent from, and including the message. That concludes our session today on the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. If you have any questions, you can call in at 866-268-4958 or email in to merchantservices@repeatrewards.com.